And they would never show you the video in real life. They just tell you you're burnt.